Foodie Chef Pete. So we're making lamb smash burger slash no bun today. But I'm going to get some veggies going here on the other side. I've got some onion. I got myself a little olive oil on there to help these out a little bit. Right? Okay, we've got some onion going. We'll get started with some onion. Just like that. You can see it going. I'm going to add a little salt to this. A little salt. A little garlic so we get our onions going here. Okay, when we come...
No,
we're good. We're good. Okay. We don't need to come back.
We're green.
We're green. Okay. Let's cut some potatoes here. And I've got some Yukon Gold potatoes today I'm going to cut up. And we're going to cut them into little bite-sized pieces so they cook pretty quick. Let's get them all over the griddle. But you do them any way you like. If you like them, you know, thicker, fine. It just takes longer to cook, right? Okay. So we're going to get some of these going here. And over here, some more potato. And we'll cut him down. You know, potatoes are nice. They're a little starch to go with your veggies. Whoops, that one went down a little hole, but that's okay.
And now this thing is hot.
Let's take a look at our lamb smash patty burgers and see what's going on with them. Oh, perfect. Absolutely perfect. We're going to smash those down a little more. And what we're going to do is give them some more salt. If you like pepper, by all means. A little oregano. A little oregano over here. A little garlic powder over here. A little more garlic over there on our lamb. There we go. Our lamb patties are cooking really nice. All right. So we've got this going over here. Let's put some peppers there so we get some color today. The little peppers are good. I've got red peppers. And I've got yellow peppers. And I've got orange. So kind of colorful. You know, we get these all over the place here. We get them cooking. Get them all cooking. All right, we have some yellow here. All right. So now we got some color. We got some veggies going with color. You know, the last thing I'm going to add today is I've shredded some cabbage. And that's the last thing I'm going to put on top. But right now we're getting these vegetables that take a little longer to cook. And we're just slicing them up so they're all about the same. And let's get our orange color on here. There we go. Okay, now I have some squash. Let's cut some squash. And get some squash on here. All right. So now we got all kinds of colors and you're going to have a rainbow of color on your vegetables. So,
a medley of vegetables.
Yeah, a rainbow medley, right, Anthony? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to keep these all going here. They're doing well. All right, I'm going to add a little more olive oil right on top, just like this. Okay. Oh, here's a few over here. And then I have a little yellow one I'm going to cut up. So we have some yellow. Okay, there we go. All right, now the last thing I'm going to put here is we're going to let these cook for a while, and then I'm going to mix them up. A little more garlic. Okay, all right, so let's take a look at our meat over here, and we'll take a look and see how it's going. Oh, I think he's doing really well. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Okay, so what I'm going to do with our meat is put it together just like this, and I am going to cover it with one of our lids here. I have a lid right here, and we'll finish up our lamb that way. Okay, so when we come back, I'm going to show you how we continue on with our veggies and finish up with our shredded cabbage on top. Then we're going to cover those, and then we'll come back and show you how it all plates up. So this is Peter Carpizzas out.